पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स में आज हमारे साथ है एक राइजिंग स्टार ऑफ आर इंडस्ट्री जिनके पहले ही म्यूजिक वीडियो से कत्ल हो रहा है, क्योंकि जिस तरह से उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है, जिस तरह के कमेंट्स एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स उनकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए मिल रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली शी इज वेरी वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग इन द नियर फ्यूचर जब वो और सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स को एक्सप्लोर करने वाली है। टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्यूटिफुल एंड द टैलेंटेड एक्टर, मॉडल, कोरियोग्राफर, ट्रेनर, टीचर, मतलब बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है जो ये काम करती हैं। रेवती माहूरकर, जिनसे ढेर सारी बातें हम करेंगे, बट सबसे पहले रेवती, अ वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म।
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया and I'm very excited to be talking to your audience today.
वी आर एक्साइटेड यार, बिकॉज आपके पहले ही डेब्यू वीडियो से आप 100 मिलियन व्यूज क्लब को एंटर कर चुकी हैं, सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
टेल मी, हाउ डज इट फील यार? डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट कि इतना अच्छा जाएगा वो?
Honestly, there were no expectations as such क्योंकि जब मैं मुंबई में आई थी मुझे बिल्कुल पता नहीं था कि मैं इस वीडियो में होने वाली हूँ, that it will have such a lovely reception. I had heard the song. Bosco sir ने मुझे वो गाना सुनाया था when I met him for the first time because he had a few projects lined up and he was just showing me some of the music that he's working on, and obviously जब मैंने वो गाना सुना then I knew it was going to be a big one. It was a hit song in the making, and उस वक्त I asked him, सुनने के बाद, गाने सुनने के बाद कि इसके साथ क्या हो रहा है and who is going to be in it, who is the pair. And I just remember he kind of gave me a smile and he was like, I think you're going to be very happy soon. तो मुझे उस वक्त पता नहीं था कि ऑलरेडी उन्होंने मेरा एक वीडियो दिखाया था गुरु रंधावा को, and Guru had loved the dance that I had done, and it worked out that they were looking for someone, and yeah, pretty soon I was locked in, and it was all just good timing, good fate, I guess you can say. So yeah, it was lovely.
राइट, एंड हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्टली जब ये आपको पता चला कि गुरु रंधावा के गाने के साथ में ये वीडियो बनने वाला है, उसमें आप परफॉर्म करने वाली है? हाउ सरियल डिड इट फील?
Too surreal for words, I think, as someone who had been, I think, literally maybe a month ago, watching his music videos, listening to his music just from my home, learning steps. मैं steps सीख रही थी उसके music videos से, which are all so well done, and then to feel like I'm in this position, I'm getting to be opposite him. I mean, for any girl, I think it's a beyond belief kind of moment.
राइट, बट देन शूटिंग का डे आता है एंड यू डिड यू मीट हिम बिफोर? आई मीन, हाउ वाज द फर्स्ट मीटिंग?
Oh, it was so lovely, So we met for the first time in Bosco Sir's studio. उनका एक very lovely studio है जहाँ पे a lot of rehearsals happen with big big stars. And उस दिन गुरु आए थे, and we met, and I think I just remember feeling like, wow, this person, he's a इतना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट है लेकिन he's so down to earth. He's asking me, oh, like, when did you get in from New York, as if we're just friends. So I was so appreciative of that kindness, and how inviting he was, because he knew that I had told him that this is my first experience as a lead in a music video, and he was just even more excited. ऐसा नहीं था कि he was saying that, oh, she's new, maybe she doesn't know what she's doing. It wasn't like that. It was like, congratulations and welcome into this space. And yeah, it was terrific, I think.
राइट, बट टेल मी, थिएटर से डांस से दिस ह्यूज डिजिटल स्पॉटलाइट, हाउ डिड इट ऑल हैपन?
So honestly, I am a graduate from Columbia University. I had studied psychology there, and मुझे पता नहीं था कि इसके बाद मैं आर्ट्स में जाने वाली हूँ. That wasn't the plan always. लेकिन I just realized, I think, as I was doing my education, that my life is very incomplete without dance, without theater, without all of these things. And so I started pursuing it in New York, and I started my full-time career as an artist in New York the year after I graduated, I think. And it was going pretty well. I was enjoying it and everything. और मैं बहुत social media पे post कर रही थी कि what all I have been up to, particularly dance videos. तो एक दिन मैंने Instagram पे एक dance video I had put, which was to one of Bosco Sir's very famous songs, Chuttamali. So, that's in the South. I'm sure that has blown up a lot, and I think it's blown up also in the North as well. And he saw it somehow, and he put a like on the video. And usi waqt he sent me a quick message just saying that, are you based in Bombay? And if so, let's meet up sometime. And I said, right now I'm not there, लेकिन मैं मुंबई में आती जाती हूँ, so I will definitely reach out to you whenever you are, whenever I'm around. And I had come in April, and that was when we met, and all of these things kind of ended up, one thing led to another. So again, it was really, I have to thank just, I think, the universe and the stars lining, because it was not something I went into chasing कि मुझे Bollywood में ही जाना है, and that's the only way. It wasn't like that. I knew that these are all very competitive spaces. All I can do for myself is to keep working on myself, keep working on my craft, taking on whatever opportunities come my way, and just slowly build up to my big dreams. But no, I didn't think that maybe within the first year of getting into this, something like this would happen.
राइट, टच वुड टू अ गुड स्टार्ट. लेकिन टेल मी, स्टार्ट में ही इतना अच्छा आपका वीडियो चला गया है, इट्स बिकम वायरल, व्यूज की अगर बात करें, द नंबर्स आर प्रीटी गुड. टॉप कमेंट्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स अगर आपने पढ़े हो, या फिर आपके इंस्टा पे डीएम आया हो, एनीथिंग दैट यू रिमेंबर, एनीथिंग दैट टच्ड योर हार्ट?
I think there was so much love. I mean, I think it's hard to pick one comment or two comments. Even now, I'm getting DMs that are saying like, "Oh, I finally found you. You're the Katal girl. That's you." Kyuki, I think people took some time to find me, but they have now. Or it's very touching, I think just for dancers, even now in the industry, in all industries, I think they don't always get highlighted so much as an actor or as a singer. So
Right.
even for that talent to get recognized so specifically, for the movements that I've done and for the costumes that I've worn and carried, all of these elements, it feels lovely, because it wasn't easy. आसान नहीं था. उस दिन बहुत गर्मी थी, and there was a lot to get done in a day. It was a one-day shoot, so getting all of this done within that time was quite hectic, but obviously it all paid off in the end.
राइट, बट रेवती, आप योरसेल्फ यूर अ ट्रेन डांसर, और उसके बाद आपने बॉस्को की कोरियोग्राफी को फॉलो किया है, एंड पीपल आर कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग यू फॉर दैट. तो टेल मी, वो कितना आसान था, आपकी खुद की ट्रेनिंग, हाउ हेल्पफुल डिड इट बिकम, और इट वाज अ न्यू बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर?
I will say कि it was quite a comfortable space for me choreographically. We were working on something that would be both impressive, but also, I think, something that can go viral, right? And when something is going viral, it means that we want everybody to be able to do it, right?
Right.
So obviously there are parts that maybe only I could do, or maybe only a dancer could do, but there are parts that everyone can pick up, like the hook step. I think that's one trademark of virality these days.
Yeah.
So for me, again, because I do come from a very intense dance background, and the kind of background where I was training multiple hours every day, it was a comfortable space for me, I would say. But the challenge came जब हम सेट पे थे, और you're balancing very intense costumes, you're balancing being under a sharp spotlight, blower, यहाँ से blower is coming in your face, and someone is yelling at you to look this way, look that way. So balancing all of those elements was a new challenge, but I
Right.
loved it. I think the whole experience.
राइट, एंड सो आर द ऑडियंस. बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है आपके इस गाने को. बट एज यू सेड कि जब कोई चीज वायरल हो जाती है, फिर जो लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, फिर वो पीपल स्टार्ट गूगलिंग देम एंड गूगलिंग देयर नेम्स. एंड एज यू सेड के लोग जैसे बोल रहे, ओ फाइनली वी फाउंड यू, यू आर द कतल गर्ल. बिफोर दैट, आई थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड अपना बताइए, बिकॉज अभी अगर हम रेवती टाइप करते हैं, रेवती माहूरकर, इट कम्स कतल गर्ल, एंड बहुत सारा अच्छा फीडबैक है, द राइजिंग स्टार एक्सेट्रा. बट इसके पहले की रेवती कौन है? A little background about you.
Yeah, absolutely. तो ओरिजिनली मेरी फैमिली मुंबई से है, लेकिन मेरी परवरिश ज़्यादातर बाहर हुई है, इंडिया के बाहर. सो funnily enough, I was born in Japan, and my family has lived in the US, in India, in the Philippines. So I've had a bit of an international upbringing. And, like I said, during school, I was on the track, like I think most Indian children are, to continue enjoying your hobbies but pursue something maybe a little bit more in the professional space. क्योंकि
Right.
मेरी family है, none of them are in the arts. None of them have pursued this as a career. So unke liye bhi, it's a very new experience. I think we're all figuring it out together. Lekin there was something in my heart, I think, that told me that I can't live my life without this.
Right.
और वहाँ पे I did a lot of, as you said, live shows. I would sing, I would act, I would dance, I would teach classes. So I was really doing everything and anything, and I was fully in that hustle zone, New York में. I think अभी भी मैं hustle zone में ही हूँ, लेकिन in a new phase. और हाँ, so really it's just been one thing led to another. I think my first opportunity in the dance space was also a matter of chance. कि मैं classes ले रही थी online. Actually, during COVID, I was taking online classes. And I later moved to New York, where that same teacher ended up having I think a surgery or an injury of some kind, and she needed an assistant. So वहीं से मेरी शुरुआत हुई है, literally from that level. And then really bit by bit, things have just happened, I think.
Right, right. And may they continue to happen because अभी क्या है कि स्पॉटलाइट आप पे पड़ चुकी है. People are looking out for your name. Google कर रहे हैं भी कौन है, कहाँ से आई है, क्या किया है. So tell me, अभी डिजिटल स्पेस में तो अच्छी खासी स्पॉटलाइट आपको पड़ गई है. What next do you want to kind of explore? जितना भी अभी OTT है, we've got films, we've got TV, we've got so many other various mediums.
Absolutely. I think that's the tough part, right? In my industry mein abhi, there's so many opportunities, so many different platforms that are coming out. So just to understand, all the different spaces that you can join takes some time, I think. Lekin I'm at a very early stage in my career, and
Right.
at heart, I'm an artist. So I'll always say I'll go where the craft takes me. So whether I get an amazing opportunity on an OTT or on a film set or in another dance song, wherever I am challenged and I get to show a new side of myself is where I would love to be. So I am just looking out for the next best thing for myself. और अभी 2-3 चीज़ें हैं pipeline में. So if all goes well, hopefully the audience will see those things soon as well.
Right,
Uh,
right.
uh, yeah, I'm just enjoying the exploration process as well. I think coming to a new city, even though मैं originally Mumbai से ही हूँ, I've spent a lot of time outside of the city. So exploring as an adult, meeting people, all of that, I'm enjoying that whole side of it as well.
राइट
And
राइट.
letting
अच्छा,
that
ये
guide.
यहाँ अलग तरह का हसल है. जैसे न्यूयॉर्क में आपने अपने डांस के लिए, अपनी स्टडीज के लिए अलग तरह का हसल किया. व्हेन यू कम इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, तो द पीआर एक बनाना एंड टेलिंग पीपल दैट दिस इज व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग टू डू, दिस इज व्हाट यू आल्सो कैन डू, बिकॉज टाइपकास्ट होना बड़ा आसान है यहाँ पे कि अच्छा ये म्यूजिक वीडियोस करती है, चलो इसको और एक म्यूजिक वीडियो ही देते हैं. आई एम श्योर यू आर नॉट लुकिंग टू बी टाइपकास्ट, आप बहुत कुछ करना चाह रही है. सो यू हैव एनी स्ट्रैटेजी इन माइंड, क्योंकि आपने बोला फैमिली में भी कोई नहीं है who's been there in the arts, आपके लिए भी ये स्पेस नहीं है. So are you moving ahead with a strategy in mind कि ऐसे ऐसे I have to put myself forward?
I think रोज मेरी strategy बदल रही है.
अच्छा.
Every day, I'm adjusting. Again, I think the beauty of coming from an academic background is that your brain is, equipped to work in a certain way. So I'm always analyzing where I am, what I can do, researching what would be the next best thing for me. So it's definitely changing every day. And I will say there's always a strategy, for the next thing based on where you are in that moment. And if anybody knows me, they know I'm a major maybe overthinker, overanalyzer. So I'm always thinking. I'm always doing the work in my head. I think कि अभी के लिए there is a strategy in place, of course, for myself, and not in any kind of manipulative way, of course, not
Yeah,
that, but just
of course.
again showing the audience and showing people what I can do, and just connecting with people and hoping that on an artistic level we are able to continue collaborating and moving forward.
Definitely. And I think ये बड़ा interesting होगा because a lot of people they say कि हमें पता था हमें एक्टर बनना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, so they have this somewhere in the back of the minds. लेकिन आपने जैसे कहा कि ये कभी था ही नहीं, you obviously love dancing, वो आपने किया, वहां से बॉस्को ने आपको देखा, and then today we're talking about कत्ल. So I think ये exploration की जर्नी आपके लिए भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी कि oh I can act in this capacity also, I can work in this genre also. So I think that journey is going to be very very interesting to look forward to, Riti, and I really hope कि जो भी आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती हैं आप करें, आपको वो काम मिले, एंड यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस, एंड वी हैव मेनी मोर इंटरव्यूज टुगेदर.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. और जैसे आपने कहा है, if I was to say anything to anybody out there who is looking to be in this profession, my first advice is always to focus on yourself, focus on your craft. अच्छी चीजें आएंगे, but you have to first make sure that what you have is solid and that you're ready for the good things to come your way.
Right, right. So you be ready for all the good things that are coming your way, and wish you all the luck, and thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.